How to share your 360 photos onto Facebook.
How important has he been to your training? Not just as a friend, but to your
Click
training.
share, save it.
How much has he put into it?
The guys, you know, like, he's like me. When you have like
Mail.
one more guy, like.
Find your mail. Go to your email. Find it in your emails. Save it. Type into Google 360 photo converter. Scroll down. Select photo. Find your photo. Convert photo.
Why you couldn't finish him?
Download
Do you
photo.
already know the mistakes you maybe made tonight?
Yeah, I already know because well, if Dana White don't go to the jail, you know, I would be happy for the fight.
Find the converted file. Drag that onto
Of course. Thank you.
your page.
One quick one.
You see that?
On Twitter, it showed you and Gilbert.
So you know you got a 360 photo.
On him while he was getting stitches. What did you tell him back then?
I said, whatever.
And all we have to do is post it. And there you have it.
You know, I try to learn something from
A
everyone.
360 photo.
And I respect all my opponents, you know, everyone do it for his family. And I see before the fight, actually it was a little bit hard.